Listen, if I was considering a hip and knee replacement, you better believe I would want to know what are the components made of. Well, here's a knee, and in a knee, the femur part is made of cobalt chrome. See how shiny it is? There are two plastic pieces. We call this polyethylene, one in between the two metal pieces and one behind the kneecap. And finally, a tibial piece. You can see how the color here is gray. It's a different color than the femoral piece because it's a different type of metal. It's titanium. So those are the elements of a total knee replacement. Now, a total hip replacement is obviously different, but there are still two metal pieces. In this case, they're both made of titanium. You have a ball. Now this ball, pink in our model here, indicates that this is a ceramic ball. So the ball can be ceramic or metal. If it is a metal, it's cobalt chrome, much like we talked about in the knee. And then there's one piece of plastic. So in the hip, two pieces of metal, one head ball that could be metal or ceramic, and one piece of plastic. That's what makes a total hip replacement. Are you interested? Good luck, guys. Hope this helps. Have a great day.